Every great novel ever written started on something exactly like me. I didn't need batteries, I just needed someone with something to say. That's sweet. I do all of that too, plus video calls, cloud storage, music, and I haven't jammed once in 10,000 words. Jammed? I jammed because writers were typing so fast they couldn't stop. When's the last time anyone did that on you? Okay, fair, but my users mostly have 17 tabs open and haven't actually written anything since Tuesday. Every keystroke on me was permanent. No delete, no undo, so people chose their words like they actually meant them. Every book on my screen right now was born on something like you. I make writing easier, but you made it matter.